Welcome to BrandBytes, my low-calorie, high-impact brand strategy appetizers by me, Suzanne Tulien, brand clarity expert with Brand Ascension. This BrandByte number 5 is about one of the 6 myths of small business branding out of my ebook, and the myth is, my brand is universal. As an entrepreneur and savvy business owner, you truly believe your brand is perfect for everyone interested in buying the product or service you offer. Your product or service is the best over your competition. You know that. In other words, you are believing that your brand is universal to all parties within your market sphere. For example, if I owned a McDonald's franchise and you're out driving around looking for a quick lunch, then I believe you are automatically a prospect for me. In the meantime, you pass right by my drive-thru and head to Subway, and I'm left wondering why. Well, I applaud you for believing so much in your business brand that you have this sort of philosophy. However, I want to provide you with a different competitive strategy and thought process. Instead of believing your one brand should, of course, fit all, so to speak, try this on. Start thinking of your brand as exclusive for the person or business who fill in the blank. How would you complete that sentence? When composing the rest of that sentence, think about your own business brand's personality, your core values, what makes you different, what you do better than anyone, and what you can actually promise to deliver in every facet of the customer experience. Now, define the person or business who would very much appreciate, enjoy, and relish in your brand's delivery of that product or service at that level. Remember, even the top global brands are not and never will be universal, like Starbucks, McDonald's, Apple, Microsoft, BMW, and Harley. Their success comes partly out of understanding and accepting and leveraging their decidedly unique brand attributes to a highly targeted market profile. The better you know your own brand, the more targeted and leveraged you can become in telling your story and attracting the right customers who will then become your advocates. So now we know that your business brand is not universal in its appeal to everyone, and that by defining your brand's core DNA, you can hone in on that perfect market that will appreciate your products and services and tell their friends. So the more we know our own business, the more we know our customers. It's time to identify, define, and become your brand's DNA. That is our BrandByte for this time. I hope you didn't get too full. For more information on this step-by-step business branding and my book, Brand DNA, or a brand assessment breakthrough session with me, go to brandascension.com. And remember, your brand is your business. Thanks for elevating conscious branding in your business.